Today we're going to be installing a screen protector from Screenprotech on the Jeep here, and we only have the 7-inch display, but when we're off-roading, lots of dust and stuff gets off on it all the time, so we want to make sure that we keep this protected. So we're just going to open this up, and included they give you this towel and a squeegee inside. They also give you a solution. You just add some water to it. There's already some, I don't know if it's just soap. It's a soap mix. So yeah, this is all we're going to need to install it. So everything is included. This one's for the 7-inch display. And as you can see here, this is for the instrument cluster as well. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to show this install, and I'll show the instrument cluster afterwards. It's pretty simple. We're gonna spray this screen down, use the provided cloth to wipe, make sure we get into the corners, getting all that dust off, all the fingerprints, which actually is a little bit hard on this screen because of the way the bezel is. All right, so we wipe it down. They want us to spray it, and then we're gonna take our protective cover here, we're going to spray this, and we should be able to put this on. And then holding this corner, we're gonna use the provided squeegee here to squeegee the excess soap out. It's kind of like if you've ever installed window film on one of your windows in your house. Kind of like that. Turn on our display here. Looks like we got it on pretty clean. Let's see if you guys can see here. Yeah, there we go. I mean, I don't see any bubbles or anything that we missed. It actually went pretty smooth. So there you go. Now our screen is nice and protected here. We're going off-roading. There's lots of dust and stuff. Now our screen's not going to get scratched, which is super nice. I'm going to move over to the instrument cluster. It's going to be a bit more difficult, so I'm not going to film this one while I do it, just because of the shapes of everything. I'm just going to install that, and I'll come right back to you guys. You guys aren't really going to be able to tell, but it looks like I got all the bubbles and everything out on the instrument cluster here. It was a little tricky with the dash design. I ended up just using the rag a lot instead of the squeegee. The squeegee is pretty flexible though, which was really nice. So I used it a bit, but on the round parts it was easier just to use the rag. But the squeegee was really nice and soft, so that worked well. And that's gonna do it for the Screenprotech install. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think the total install time was under 5 minutes for both sides there. Spent more time talking about it than doing the actual install. So yeah, that's it. For me personally, like I said, I go off-roading a lot, so a lot of dust and stuff. This will keep my screen from getting scratched, so I'm really happy about that. Can't really go wrong there. And yeah, it seems like a great product so far. I'll there'll be links down in the description below if you guys are interested in picking up a Screenprotech for your vehicle. I believe they have vehicle specific kits for most vehicles out there, so highly recommend it. And that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and breathe.